Been calling me.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. So today I am bringing you meet my boyfriend type of video, but we are gonna, instead of the typical boyfriend tag, we are gonna do like a mini Q&A because I got some questions on Instagram. This is who I have been hiding, not hiding, but just like, you know, privacy and vlogs and stuff like that. But here he is. This is Sweet.
This is Sweet.
Sweet, say what's up.
Sweet, say what's up.
Oh.
What you say?
Oh, you have a liar, follow me.
Sweet. Alright, hey guys.
Alright, there we go. We're gonna kick it off with the Q&A portion of it, and the most like asked question was, how did we meet? So how did we meet? I'm asking the questions. I'm gonna answer. If you mess up the details, I'm gonna fix it, but go ahead.
Alright, so we meet in brother there tell me about in sister say, you know, say I have one sister and feel like say if you know each other and then things. So you know me, I say who that? Then time me never know she. So him tell me her Instagram and you know go up on her Instagram and start her page and see a couple pictures and start like you up and things. So yeah, she come at Jamaica and we go. Where would they go?
We didn't go anywhere. It just so happened that you was at the same party that I was at. We didn't go together. Because at this point we still didn't know each other.
Alright, so we there a party called Cheap and Clean, a long road. Me and her never go together, but it's like we end up in the same place at the same time. Everybody enjoy themselves and them things. So I feel somebody touch me on my back. So when I turn around and look at she say, hello. So I say, I'm kind of nervous anytime I say first I meet her. She say, well, go on. No, she never said that time. She say, I am Shade. And I say, hello. The entire time I'm frustrated because I under somebody she shake me and I shake her. I never really stay there too long because as I say, I kind of enjoy myself in the party. So from there it's like, I get along, you know, I get along till I think the next day. What happened the next day?
No, continue. You want me to pick up now?
Alright,
so
what happened the next day.
I don't think nothing happened the next day. I think it was a couple days after. The next time I saw you was when you all were playing football at Kensington. Yeah, so so and let me just explain this. The reason for me tapping him and introducing myself was not trying to like get to him or nothing. I just know that he was my brother's friend, and you know, that's just me being social, whatever. So we saw him I went to a football game because him and Sha was at a football match or whatever. So I ended up driving them from the football match to our house, and he was just here. You know, he shot me. I remember I told you to shot me out on Instagram because he got followers, Sha, but y'all not gonna follow him. But you shot me out on Instagram, and then I feel like after that you was just here every night. No, or the same night, the football night. No, I'm messing up. The same football night we went to the party. We went to the all-white party, and I feel like all-white parties were just all kicked off, like, yeah. So yeah, that's how we met, through my brother, and yeah. Yeah. All right, cool. So now that we have that out the way, let's jump in some deep waters. How long did you guys know each other? Who approached who first?
All right, we know her for like 1 year and about a month, 1 year, a month and some days, because you know that I did in December. So yeah, me approach her first, but I let you know, like, because you know she have to tell me about her and say, alright then give it a try. You see,
and she will be like, yo, I'm a brother for you, but I'm like, boy, bye. How do you guys handle arguments?
I don't feel like really argue much, but you can't tell them, you know?
No, I am.
I don't feel like really argue much.
I'm here interview you on my channel.
No, whatever that. Alright, as I say, I don't feel like we argue a lot, and it's like whenever we argue, feel like there's a time, or before we go to bed, we try to talk through things like what really caused that, and you know, try to stay clear before we go to sleep, because
yeah,
if when I say clear, she can't sleep and we can't really sleep. Twist and turn and we just there no side that makes you can't see, but you know.
Yeah. How do you cope being in a long distance relationship, and do you ever get insecure?
I never really get insecure before. And no cope like it's a communication one of the main thing. Like it's as long as you not communicate, like if you have to go on the road, just tell me say I go on the road. So it's like me can look forward for the on and off texting, because if me I text her and like she gone, I go like, where you gone so long, why nobody there reply. So I feel like we communicate a that way, that kind of keep it balanced, you see me?
Yeah, I agree. Communication, man. Communication. And I don't think I got insecure in the beginning. We're just like, you know, say I can't trust them. So, huh?
No things are going in the beginning.
No, yeah, a lot of things happen in the beginning. But here we are now. But yeah. What's your favorite thing about each other, non-physical?
Everything about me.
Alright, you want me to go first? No, alright. My favorite thing about you that is not physical, I feel like you're patient, like in a way, like you cool me down. Like I am and he's like, ooh. So like whenever I get like angry or whenever I feel some type of emotion, and like him just come, like his presence alone just like calms my nerves. I feel like that's one of my favorite things. It's a lot, but that's one. Yours is the same?
Yeah.
You're too far off a shit.
No, talk it true. You're talking true. When I forget, just to be honest.
Yeah, I feel like we always say that to each other though. I always tell him he's my peace. Like, don't take that lightly.
Sometimes you flip, like when it's really necessary.
My flippings are necessary sometimes.
Sometimes.
Okay, got you, bro. Got you. When are y'all having kids? I mean, answer that.
Probably next 5-6 years.
I mean, I feel like that's something you can't plan for.
Yeah.
But if we can plan for it, probably next 3 to 5 years.
3 to 4 years.
3 to 5. 4 just awkward. 3 to 4, but anything can go on, cause things go on. Were you ever afraid of being in a long distance relationship? What are some pros and cons of being in an LDR? I never afraid because I did it before. Pros for me, I feel like that feeling you get at the airport, like when me see me come down and it, like, you know, I'm just see my walk come. I think that's. Oh God, I mean always I wave you down first.
No.
When me, yeah, wait for me, but yeah, wait for me, we over so.
No.
So when me come out, now me I call them, I say, John, where him there, me can't see. And then me see a walker come. Talk to you, they always a walker come. And me say, and then that just like, oh go and oh God, that's the con. Obviously, me not the way them like, and sometimes when we have disagreements, it's hard when we're away. When we did. Me I chat too much.
No, you been talk
because
me are looking into it for real. Like when we're far from each other, we have looking disagreement. You know that.
Yeah. But like even if I'm upset or whatever, and we in the same spot, at least if we're on the bed, at least I know he's right there. You know, me still can roll up and if me I'll move on, you know, and then something they would.
When you're upset, you try to roll for me.
Yeah, when me upset, me move at the next side of the bed. But me know say you did it. So it just, yeah, it's different. I am 18 years old and in an LDR with a Jamaican, but don't know how to tell my family. Any tips?
Alright, for me, it's my sister. Before anything with my mother and my father, my sister have to know. So I don't know if you have somebody you can talk to before you actually go to your parents. It's when I say like probably an older brother or older sister you can share with them and make them tell you what they think. Or probably they can, you know, pass you on to your parents and hear what they say before you actually bring it to them. You understand me? I say so. Yep.
I feel like I kind of get it. It's a girl that asked it, and I feel like me getting from a girl's perspective, you're free to tell your parents, say John. So like, and then 18, I must say Jamaica. You know, it's like all this, but girl, keep your business to yourself until, like, you know, prove them wrong. I mean, don't keep your business to yourself. Don't mean like sneak around. Don't sneak around and like, you know, get yourself in trouble and stuff like that. But Boy, I want the ad. Me have to go take a shot for you. Love your videos, but I love that you kept it off social media. Only OG fans saw him in the vlogs. Thank you. And yeah, he's been in my Jamaica 2019 vlog, December 2019 vlog. So if y'all really OG DaeOnes, y'all know what he look like. A lot of y'all text me like, Day, why y'all item waste don't seem already? I know, but you know, at the time we weren't like,
I feel like we just move around and
flirty, but yeah. The thing that you love the most about the other person.
Well, wait for some boys still in.
Aww. Alright.
Right. It's whenever we in an argument, like, she always trying to be a bigger person. You see me, and you all find us in a certain relationship. Nobody not really try to, well, big friend. I don't know still. I don't really talk about that. But she always try to be a bigger person, you know. We in an argument, she come and she said, want to or what we have. And them look at things. So it's like, respect that, you see me? Because no somebody would do that. They would have say, you know, not really.
Yeah, ask the one of them with it. My favorite thing about you, when I'm stressed out, like, I feel like this going at the other answer, but that's true. When I'm stressed out and like you always see some stress and I don't even have to say nothing to him. Like he'll just come and like, either you stretch out your arm and me know if you come lay down, or you just rub my head or my butt, like just calms my nerves, bro. You just calm my nerves. What are some of the things that you have in common, and what's your biggest difference?
We have in common.
We're moody. I noticed that last night.
You're moody more than me still, you know.
You really go to that?
Yeah, I feel like you're moody
more than you.
Yeah.
Me just come up and just knowing and not talking and some more than you. Talk truth. Talk truth, babe.
Yeah, talk truth, babe.
I truth that?
Yeah, just get up and vex for nothing at all.
My vex always have something back here.
Then my vex always have something too.
Yeah, but you not always express it, so you would have like nothing. Also, when I vex more time, something back here, I tell me, I don't know.
No, sometimes when I vex. Sometimes I tell her, I say, oh, we just like observe things.
But you're moody, you come off moody, though. You're moody bad. We have a heap of differences. Me loud, him quiet.
For true. Yeah, I tell that great. Loud bad. That's my thing.
He be like, I'm like, sometimes when I call Shab, I'm like, Shab! Cover up his ears. But I never really focus on any differences that we have. Like, I'm gonna feel like we're much different, you know. And believe it or not, we're a day apart. Our birthdays are a day apart.
I feel like each time, you realize each time I say something like, you like this,
you like it too.
Or if I say me like that, you like it.
Or if me not eat something, you not eat it.
Well,
some things, not all the things, but like certain things, like, you know, most of the food we eat, you know, eat either. And then like, yeah, because even like if you send me something, you say like, which one of them you like? And the ones that I choose without even knowing what you like, which one we like, the same thing. Yeah. Alright, are we close to each other's family? Yeah, they here.
No, come here, no.
Yeah.
So, yeah, what I say?
Yeah. What's your favorite peaceful thing to do in Jamaica and your go-to snaps when you're down here? My favorite thing to do in Jamaica is going to the beach.
I mean, I like beach.
Yeah, he don't like the beach.
Or the river.
But I force him to go to the beach. Compromise. I go to river, I don't really like river. He go to beach, he don't like beach. But we compromise. You can go beach and go river, go wash out. What's the worst thing that has ever been said to you about your relationship? Or it could be both. What's the worst thing that ever been said, boy?
Alright, from my side, honestly.
No, he must say no.
No, monsieur. We're not looking like, won't be up on your side, like.
I feel like my negativity come from YouTube. Like people comment on my videos and like, oh, you know, and it's like sneak. It's like, oh, I'm so happy for you, but my upset, like, you're not mine anymore. Like, you know, like people just think automatically because I'm in a, like, somebody lives in America and somebody lives in Jamaica and they're dating. It's just like, y'all go mine, man, or something like that. Not in my vocabulary. So, Sweets, what attracted you to my friend at first glance? And somebody put the mic, so I'm gonna get a mic.
Why?
Microphone.
Alright.
My shape? Like the thick gums. And one me boom boom.
Alright, so this one picture with her on Instagram. I always tell her about that picture there, and she know like one rasta skirt, but you know, her ear the natural and puff out. So see the picture and you know the skirt the kind of it never tight. It just is set. You know, I say oh, what did it say? Could say free.
Any tips to deal with your significant other being away so much? Communication is key.
That I mean, like, just make sure you communicate all that.
Yeah, and trust, guys. Boy, if you don't trust, you got to think one. I want to trust sometimes something go through your mind. I want to go through your mind more time say there and I say.
But imagine you don't trust them how they communicate. Like.
Yeah. What do you admire most about the other person? Your lips.
I them pretty.
But not sure, don't look. Alright, so it says for sweets, one thing women do that men love, and then for me, one thing men do that women love. Me love quality time. Spending time with me.
Yeah.
What you love?
Love a woman spending time with me and make me feel comfortable, you know. And relax me.
Can't hear you. What did you say? Alright, I'll answer the how did you meet? Because I might say, because I'm sure he's in the same time as to support the in-laws video. Definitely, yeah. How long have you been together, and what are the top 2 things you love about your partner? We answered one already. What we love about most?
How long what? We've been together?
Yeah, how long have we been together?
1 year and a month.
1 year and a month. Yes. Alright, what are some short and long-term goals together, if you have any? Of course, I have some our future we are working on. What are your goals for us, the long-term and short-term?
I feel like me and her they're the same place. You know, make some money. Shall get married.
And then what else, boo? Yeah, boo. Next time you will be Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica right now. So guys, this was the Q&A portion. If you want to see more, stay tuned for our truth and drink in another video. So guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave some positive message in the comments for us, and some love, encouragement, advice, and them some of that. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and then I'll see you in the next video. Oh, follow me on all socials at BrightAsDae. One on Instagram and on TikTok. I'm on TikTok now. I ain't post yet, but I'm there. Follow me because I'm coming with content. And then follow me on Twitter as well and Instagram. Bye guys.
If I want to know when it comes from pretty little